Hello guys on YouTube. So today I'm gonna show you how to trick a lock on most models of instant unlock washing machines that got these style of locks in which you don't press lever for the door to open, you just pull on it. So a lot of people have had problems in the fact that they would pick it, they would trick it, and then they won't lock or unlock anymore and the door won't close. So today I'm gonna show you how to trick this lock correctly and how to repair it in case it breaks. So first, to trick it, you have to make a loop from a metal wire that you can insert in the door lock. Then you press it hard above the lever, that clamp, and it's locked. So you can turn on the washer, it will turn, it will do anything you want, as you can see. Now, when you pull it out, there is a possibility that the lock will still be blocked. So, in this case, it worked because when you take the wire out, you have to push it up so that the lever goes in the right position. Now, if it happens that the lock remains in the closed position, you can see I can't insert the wire anymore, nor up nor down. You don't have to take the machine apart, you just need some pliers and an L-shaped metal piece that's very thin, so it can easily enter the door lock. So in the right and left part of the of this white pin, there's space. Now you have to insert this like this straight and then push it towards the lock. Now, this is a bit complicated because sometimes this just goes down, but you have to try it over and over again. There we go. So once you find it, you don't have to hold it straight like this on a 90-degree angle from the door lock. You have to hold it like this a bit and then have to catch it with pliers and pull. And this is how you repair your door lock if it gets stuck in the closed position. Now, as you can see, I can insert this